Hello cookies, welcome back to another video. This is the bag, the Bleecker bucket, what they call the color yellow. Let's open it. Oh my goodness, this is Simply D. You guys have to check out my girl. I love watching her because she gets the deal. She's a bargain shopper just like your girl. But yeah, I originally ordered this for her because yellow is like her favorite color. It just has Coach lightly stamped there. You can almost feel it. It's a little raised. Oh, I think I should spray this bag before I wear it. And here's the little tag in Suede, Coach, New York. This is the bottom. It's a small bag. I love the gold buckle. Oh, it's so nice and chunky. Let's see, does it say Coach anywhere on it? Yeah, of course it does. It says Coach here. Oh, it's so cute. Do I have my tape measure? We just measure it for you guys real quick. Where is my tape? Here it is. So it's almost 8.5, and then it's like 5. It's got a nice pretty base on it. And then this is by 8. Oh, it's so cute. I love the strap on this. I have been looking at this bag for a while, and I figured, let me get a small one. Well, I ordered it for her, but then I missed her birthday. So then I was like, I'm not going to send her another yellow one. I'll send her a different color. Look at the strap. It's so good. And it has this little tag hanging here. Excuse your girl. She ain't got no lotion on. I can't believe I ain't got no lotion on. Look at this. I could put these little grape pom-poms on it. Or I could put my Kate Spade pineapple charm. Oh, that might look cute on there. Too cute with the Kate Spade. I could do lots of stuff, but it is Valentine's Day. So look, I love to pull this out. This one I got from Sorrel. This one is supposed to be real. This one I paid $19.94. Look at it. It's so fluffy cute. Oh, how cute would this be for Valentine's Day? Yellow and red. Oh, super cute, right? So let's take a quick peek at the inside. It has the little pouch that comes with it in the inside. It has the Coach bag. And then it's just nothing but bucket. Nothing but bucket. Oh, don't you love the packaging of the Coach bag? It's so nice. So nothing like it. And it even has this little back pocket here. Oh, how sweet is that? And it's like soft leather in the inside. It looks like pebble green. It has the little hook here. Too cute. It's got Coach on the little tag here. So yeah, there we have it. This is the Coach Bleecker. And it comes with a little suede pouch. How nice is this? Oh yeah. And it's got the same like material in the inside of here. It's got Coach here on the tag. Nice bag. Too cute. All right, y'all. There it is. Happy Valentine's Day, cuties. Oh, that was so cute. I think I like it with the pineapple. I think the pineapple. Okay, this is the bag. This is the Kate Spade pineapple charm. And then this is the Coach charm. I think this looks cute on the bag, if you can tell. But this bag is real floppy, so I was just trying out different stuff. I don't think I will wear this charm. And then this little charm I picked up at a little store in Hong Kong. So I thought this would look cute hanging on here. And then this is the inside of the Bleecker bag. This is the overview. This is hand sanitizer. Lemon. This is my lipstick, Fashion Fair. And then this is my favorite lip balm, Candy Cane. And then I got a few dental picks there. Then I have this little packet. It's like keepsakes. And then in here, this is my Coach wallet. I love these little mini wallets. It's got the change compartment. I got a couple quarters. I always need a quarter when I go to Aldi's. And this I love because I can put my money in here. So yeah, I have like 6 cards in here. So this is nice hand size. This is a nice little wallet. And then in here, I have my little Coach key. This is getting pretty beat up. If you can see, it's like peeling here. And then up here at the top, it's got like peeling or crusting or something. But yeah, I got my keys in there. And then this is the little Coach rainbow pouch. It looks cute with this. I just got gift cards in here. I got a whole bunch of gift cards. I still have them in their casing, so it's kind of hard to unzip this, but yeah. And then my extra cards that I couldn't fit in my wallet, like my AAA card, stuff like that. And then I got some gift cards here, the big ones. I like to keep them in their paper till I use them, because if they have any restrictions or whatever. And then in here, the little pouch that came with it, of course, is real cute. I got like my wipes, my little containers. Let me see. I got Kleenex, and then like my wipes, you know, hand wipes, Tylenol, and then I got my little favorite lotion, like L'Occitane. And then in here, I got my Scooby treats, and this is what they look like. I love these little tin containers, so nice. And these are orange flavored. Cute. And then that's it. That's all that I have in there. So yeah, this is a cute little setup. My little Scooby-Doo. Woo! I dropped them. I'm using the chair right now, so yeah, that's what the setup looks like. Really cute. So thank you, cookies, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.